Simran was a bud, I'm definitely a full-blown flower by now.
I would never think my baby sister on Friends
I would have never
become my producing partner in one of the greatest shows.
You are in company of perhaps one of the finest actors this country has produced. This actor has done from sublime to ridiculous, and he has made sublime extremely memorable and made ridiculous believable.
इतनी तारीफ तो तुमने मेरी कभी भी नहीं की है. रुलाया तुमने मेरे को.
You wear your heart on your sleeve, and as a
No.
good actor, you put it on for the
You
audience.
want a witness to your truth.
90s क्या उसके पहले भी सिनेमा अपने आप में एक जादू था. अब ऑडियंस मुझे लगता है रिलेटेबिलिटी ढूंढती है कि मैं कहाँ कनेक्ट करूँ.
Anybody had respect for me because I am a method actor. I'm going to drop that right now.
I do most of my speaking through my films. All my films are political.
All the darkness, there's always this glimmer of hope. And that glimmer of hope comes from storytellers. It comes from performers.
If I had just kept doing that same thing over and over again, I think this room would be empty and you'd be like, शायद कोई नहीं आया.
जब आप जो चीज प्राइवेसी में नहीं दिखाना चाहता हूँ वो भी अगर बाहर आ रही है चीजें, वो थोड़ा सा शॉकिंग हो जाता है.
Today, I think the best films in this country come from the Malayalam film industry.
As an actor, if I have a confusion and if I ask the director, he should reply.
I don't want to look the same or behave the same. It's just there has to be some kind of a different feel to the character.
I've never had much of a conversation with the director on set ever. I've already done my homework, we already discussed everything. I don't really know what I'm going to do in a scene.
Politics के मामले में हम एकदम low IQ actresses बन जाती हैं. हमें नहीं बनना भाई smart.
I'm thinking society is getting sicker, and I'm interested in finding out why and how we can change it.
I was like, who? Aishwarya is on Oprah. That's so cool. That does nothing for my acting career.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है. अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना. आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे.
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May screen digitally prosper.